DJT Stock Analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. So Trump Media and Technology stock's been sitting at $34.28, 4% down. Context, I've done 35,000 videos, spent thousands on courses, mentors, documented everything. Generally speaking, with DJT, it's inside my demand area. I mean, as we talked about, it's a potential long, but I'm going to show you like exactly what I'm looking for and what I'm waiting for to take things up. I've done 35,000 videos, I've spent thousands on courses, mentors, and I've documented everything. And generally speaking, the only thing that will propel me higher from here on is the price actually showing me signs of potential bullish, or just potential bulls, and just going up. So what exactly do I want to see is a proper double break from here on. Right, so that will be like a 30-minute chart. 1 hour will be definitely a little bit higher than that, but like even from this perspective, it's fine with me. But first, the rules must be met, and these double breaks must happen. I mean, I cannot tell you when, but I can tell you then that if they do happen, I'm taking things up. So I'm going to keep you updated. And if like the same is on the opposite, like if we break the lows, then this is going to be diluted, and I'm going to keep you updated. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and easy way, just click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.